Hello, what's going on, guys? My name is Scott, and today I got another custom-made minifigure review. And today it's Captain Britannian, he's based on the Captain Britannian from the Lego Marvel superheroes. So yeah, we're gonna take a closer look at him, but I'm just gonna show my Captain America custom-made minifigure besides the Captain Britannian minifigure. Just for fun, just so you can see it and together. And I'm gonna put the link. I have showed this guy before, and I'm gonna put the video in this description below, so you can see him if you want. So should we take a closer look at this guy? So here we got a closer look at the minifigure, Captain Britannian, and you can see I made the DK wholly by myself, of course, and it looks nice, I think. I really like this minifigure because I really like Captain Britannian in the game. So I just say to myself I want to make him in Lego. So I try ahead, and he turned out really great. I think he's not exactly look like because him in the game, because I don't got the special helmet they use. So I made it by myself. The helmet I tried to. So yeah, that's the only thing I think that's not so good with this minifigure, the helmet. But else I think the DK is great, and I think it's actually look like Captain Britannian. You can, if you see it, you'll know it's Captain Britannian. If you know Captain Britannian. So yeah, and you can see the boobs is high on this minifigure, and the decal on the sides, and on the back, and on the other side, and on the front. So yeah, this is Captain Britannian. He's an awesome minifigure, if you say it to me, if you ask me. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and hope we're gonna hope we see each other in another video. See you guys.